Our High Commission in London is preparing to host a Fiji trade promotion there soon. According to Foreign Affairs High Commissioner Solomar and his staff, are liaising with the relevant agencies in Fiji for the proposed trade promotion to be held in October in London. The trade promotion is aimed at attracting potential investors around Europe and the Fiji diaspora overseas. The trade promotion will coincide with the London Pacific Fashion Show, where the High Commission will be teaming up with a group of 4 Fijian fashion designers. According to Foreign Affairs representatives from Investment Fiji, the Ministry of Trade and Commerce, Tourism Fiji, FRCA, Immigration, FNPF, Reserve Bank and the Bank of the South Pacific will be the core group from Fiji to be part of the trade promotion. Meanwhile, the High Commission has once again participated successfully in the 53rd International Spring Fair. The event was organized with spouses from the High Commission led by High Commissioner Solomar's wife, Kerry Mara.